How to remove email from Roblox account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open up the Roblox app on your device. Once you have done that, tap on these three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, tap on Settings, tap on Account Info. Now here you can find your current email address. When you tap on this edit button right here, it says change my email. So from here, if you want to remove your current Roblox email, then you can simply write a new email address here, and then that email address will be changed and the current one will be removed. However, if you do not want to put any email address at all and you also want to remove the current one, then you need to change your age to under 13. For that, you want to change your date of birth here. Once you have done that, here it says changing your birthday to under 13 cannot be undone. Are you sure you want to continue? After that, you want to tap on yes and then tap on verify my age. Once you have done that, you have to verify by providing a valid ID, but if you don't want to do that, you can tap on the cross mark here as well. And now after this, if you close the Roblox app and then open it again, then your current email will be removed. So you might have to enter a parent email, but your current email will be removed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.